My really major takeaway is something that I didn't expect. So I'm used to speak of science, data, etc. And instead here there was a different vision. So okay, artificial intelligence, recovering of information, data, whatever, but then use them to uh, not against nature, but to work with nature and to include, for example, nature in the cities and to involve citizens, involve people, because they live in the city, live in the metro station, live in places that are totally uh, artificial and crowded, and also the brain is subjected to this mass of informations. So to think about uh, coming back to some nature also in the most anthropogenic cities, for example. This has been a great message of this meeting. And also, I've been impressed by the fact that the ocean is often forgotten. For example, the map representing San Francisco or other cities, New York, the map do not show the sea surrounding these cities. So why? And then in this way, people forget that there is an ocean outside their window.